morning, students and parents. Hope you're doing well. We're going to look at the base 10 number system using base 10 blocks. I noticed that some of us were confused about how to determine a number's value just on base 10 blocks. I'm going to show you two methods. So this is math, M for math. This is week 5. This is the first math video this week. This is a bit of a review for regrouping on base 10 blocks. This is not too much of an abstract concept because we actually have representations of physical blocks here. These are our hundreds. These are our tens. And these are our ones. I think you probably already know that from some of the work you did in previous grades. Now, grouping them is what I've seen some students having problems with. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. This is B, so this is the one you've already did your homework with. And I'm going to give you a second one to do on your own. There's two ways of doing this. Okay, so we're going to do this the first way. And this is probably the easiest way, and this will probably be easier for you to figure this out. We're just going to go ahead and count the ones, and then write the number in the square here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But every time I come across 10, I'm going to group them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since we're doing base 10 number system, this is what we do in base 10. We group things by groups of 10. I don't have 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can't group those. So this makes it easy to count. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 25 ones. This might be a little bit easier to do this way than the previous way. Let's count our tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're in base 10, so we're going to group them by tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't have another one over here to 10, so that's going to have to stay that way. So I have 10 and 9, that's 19. So I have 19 tens. Hundreds are really super easy because they never give us very many of those. There's 5 hundreds. Now we're going to have to do some addition to this. We're going to have to add some zeros. This is 5 hundreds, but the hundreds has 2 zeros. So this would be 500 is actually what this would represent for each one of those little cubes. There's 500 cubes. We're going to have to add our 0 to 19. There's 19 tens, but it's in the tens place, and tens has a 0. So there's actually 190 little cubes in the groups of tens. Let's look at our ones. We don't have to add any zeros for our ones, but there's 25 ones. And we can add those together. So this number would actually be 715 of these little cubes. So our unit is cubes. So if we were to count each one individually, it would take us a long time, and it'd be boring, and we might make a mistake because there's too many of them to get the correct answer. That's why we use the base 10 system and group by tens. So we're just counting by tens, and whatever is remaining, we can go ahead and write that in the ones, tens, and hundreds. And then when we add them up, kind of similar to our partial products, then we can get the right number. That's one way. I'm going to do a second way here. And this is the way, I really didn't show it on a video, I showed it as an example, but the second way is we do the same thing as we did the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We aren't going to fill anything in the ones just yet. We're just going to group them. So this is actually equal to 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is actually equal to 100, right? Because I have 10 tens and 10 tens. 10 tens makes 100, and then I have some tens left over here. This is 100, 200, 300, 400. This is 400. So now if I look at my ones, what ones do I have remaining over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I count that correct? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 ones. How many tens do I have? I have 1 10 here from the ones I collected. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 tens here. And how many hundreds do I have? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. I have 6 hundreds. So this would be 658. So in this method, I grouped into, these actually become a flat like this. This actually becomes a rod like this. Both these answers are correct. You can use whatever method gets you the correct answer on the next sheet. This one will be a sample sheet. Try that on sheet C and see how well you do. You can use either method. Good luck.